friends, this is me Sahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing course on Welcome Software is continue, and in this video you will learn that how we can use input B. How we can use input B in Welcome. Input B is also a punching tool. We oftenly use this tool to make the design. Punching means making design. And in the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website like Dailymotion, Vimeo, etc., so for complete learning you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So now open Welcome. In the previous video you was learned that how we can use input A. So now you know that this type of design, this type of object can easily make with input A, but this type of design cannot be made with input A. So how we will make this type of design? This type of design we can make with input B or in complex fill or fusion fill. This type of objects can be made with input B, complex fill and fusion fill. In this video we will make this object with input B, because our topic of this video is input B. So now click on input B and make zoom of this object. In input B we have to start by pressing left key. In input B we will start the making selection with left key, and one thing remember that from where we have to start. For example, I have to start from here. I want to start from here, so I will not start from here. I will start from some close, from here or here. In input B we will not start from the accurate point, from the accurate starting point, but we will start from near the starting point. For example, this design I was to make from here. This is the starting point, but I will not make start from here. I will make start from near close. We have to left some place for the last two left clicks. So we will not start from here. We will start from near the starting position, like here. So the first click will be left. I will start the design by pressing left click, left. Now right and left. Now the selection is rounded, so I will press right click, right, and here is the corner, so I will press here left click. Backspace button to remove some points. If the selection is not making correctly, you can remove the points and back the selection and make the selection again. Right click, and here is the corner, so we will press here left click. Now again right click, and now here is the corner, so we will press here left click, right and left. Now right, and here is the corner, so we will press here left click. Now right, and here we will press the left click. You can make some zoom if you want to make more than beautiful, so you can make some zoom also. Right and here left. Now this is a straight line. So and now I will not ending the selection here. Note here, I will ending the selection like here, because we have to give we have to give uh, two more points after pressing enter. So now I will ending the selection here, near close to the ending point, not on the ending point but near to close to the ending point, like here. Now it's a last point, so our last point will be left. Our last point will must be left. Now here I will press left key. Okay, now our selection has completed. Now what we have to do? Now we have to press enter. We have to press enter, and now we have to give them two left keys. After pressing enter, now we have to give them two left keys. For example, uh, I will I will press here first left key, and now very close here the second left key. Now press enter. Now you can see that our object has completed. Make some zoom. In certain you can see that the fillings are not coming correctly, so I will change the stitch value in tatami. In tatami you can see that the object has made. We make this object with input B tool by using input B. We can also change the stitch values like counter. In counter values it will be uh, come like here, like this. And in certain we can apply auto split also. We can apply auto split. You have already learned all these topics, all these things in the previous videos. And we can also apply auto jump here. So all the objects which cannot be made with input A, we can make these type of objects with input B or complex fill or fusion fill. But in this video, because our topic is input B, so in this video we have make this design with input B. Now we will make some other objects. Now we will make some other objects also with input B. For example, uh, we will make this object with input B. Click on input B, make some more zoom. Now this is, for example, this is the starting point, so we will not from the starting point, we will start to make the selection to from near the starting point. So our first click will be left. Now for rounded selection press right. Here is the corner, so we will press left key. For making beautiful, we will make some more zoom. So now we have to press right key. Now corner, so left, round selection right, corner 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 left, and for round selection right, and here is the corner, so we will press here left key, or rounded key right, corner, so left. So now right, and on the corner we will press here right, corner, so left, right, corner, left, right, left, right, and now you can see that we was to complete the selection here, but we will not ending the selection here. We will ending the selection by pressing left key to close the starting point. The starting point was here, we will close the ending point or last point to close the starting point. So here I will press left key. Now unzoom, and now press enter. Now we have to give two clicks on the starting point. For example, this was our starting point, so I will press here one left key. Now the second left key. Now we have to press the enter. So you can see that our object has created. Now this is uncertain, so the stitches are not correctly. We can apply them on auto split or auto jump, or we can apply them counter stitch type of values. So this type of objects which cannot be made with input A easily, we can easily make this type of objects with input B. So our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video. So for all updates you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. These days I am creating all the classes of this complete video training course and all other settings and the server settings, so I have typed. So anyway, I hope you will like this video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for all updates. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. So goodbye. Allah Hafiz.